All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card from BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin. All kinds of good information. Today we're going to be talking about Floki Inu. Yeah, that's right. Floki Inu is up over 52%. We're going to talk about this. I know this is new. The Shiba Inu, Floki, Elon Musk, it all kind of ties together. So we're going to definitely talk about it. We're going to go to the website, check it out. What's the coin trading for? How long has it been around? The whole 9 yards. Where can you buy it? We're going to go through that. So all kinds of good stuff. Also, we're going to be talking about Robinhood and Buger King doing a crypto giveaway, and they're giving away Dogecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. And the kicker on that is, in order to get the cryptocurrency, you have to have a Robinhood, and you have to go to Buger King. So a kind of a cool little thing that's going on with Buger King and Robinhood. So we're going to cover that too. So two really Floki Inu and Buger King and Robinhood. So don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, how to buy cryptocurrency, how to watch it, what's good investments, where to get in, the dips, the whole 9 yards. A lot of people don't know about cryptocurrency. There's more and more celebrities. Tom Brady basically making cryptocurrency known on Sundays and Mondays when he's doing a trade. We got that going on. Elon Musk is always talking about cryptocurrency. Mark Cuban's talking about cryptocurrency. Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner. All kinds of good things. Let's go ahead and head over to Floki Inu. All right, over here at Coin Market, take a look at this. In the last 7 days, Floki Inu is up 54%. That's right, over 50% uptick in the last 7 days. In the last 24 hours, this coin is up 6%. There's 3 zeros and then 31.26. So 3 zeros. We're not smashing 8 or 7 or 6. It's already down to 3 zeros. Shiba Inu's got 4 zeros. Floki Inu has actually got three zeros. So Floki is listed at 27.14 right now. And it's actually the Floki Inu, and you're going to hear about the Vikings. So what's going on with this coin? Well, in the last 24 hours, it is up 5.89%. So looking at the chart here, it kind of does look like a little roller coaster. You know, it's going up and it's going down and it's going up and it's coming down, and now it's back up here. So Floki Inu is definitely on an up and down roller coaster. So what does it say? So again, checking out this 27.14 Floki Inu. It's up 6% in the last 24 hours. Going to go right over to their website. Over here at the website, take a look at little Floki here. It's on a little boat. He's a Viking, and it says, "Meet Floki Inu, the community-owned crypto inspired by Elon Musk. A new crypto coin birthed by fans and members of the Shiba Inu community. Floki Inu, Floki is inspired by the Doge father, Elon Musk's very own Shiba Inu. Floki Inu is also the only crypto project officially partnered with the Doge father brother Kimball Musk Million Garden Movement, with whom we are working together to tackle food insecurities in the whole world. Floki was working on 3 flagship utility projects. One is the NFTs, gaming, and also merchandise market known as Floki Places, a content education platform known as Floki in a University. Floki combines utility and power of the community, aims to be the top 10 crypto projects, and plans to kickstart the new crypto revolution." Now let's think about this. If this becomes one of the top 10 cryptocurrency projects, that means there's going to be tons of growth, tons of different things happening. Top 10, I mean, it's listed at 27.14, and they're saying the top 10 crypto projects. That's why we bring you these things on this channel. We bring you all kinds of coins that are popping and doing kind of different things, with Elon Musk being right here involved with this, and basically Floki Inu, and we got Viking ships and stuff. Holy, what's going on? All right, so where can you buy this? You got it. You can buy it on PancakeSwap. You can also buy it on Uniswap. You can buy it on Gate.io. So take a look at Floki right there, the little Viking Floki. Well, we already kind of covered this, but how to buy Floki. Buy Floki. All right, so buying Floki is easy. It says, we've created a YouTube tutorial to show you how to buy Floki from the start to finish. It's right over here. So you definitely want to go to the website and kind of check that out. You can see the Floki, how to buy it, but real simple right here. You can buy it on PancakeSwap. You can buy it on Uniswap. You can buy it on Gate.io. So store of value. Look at that. How many people have seen this picture? Floki has arrived in September. So all of a sudden Floki arrives, and now all of a sudden there's a Floki Inu. How do you think about that? Tell me in the bottom there. What do you think about Floki Inu? You like it? Don't like it? Floki in the news. Floki token has been featured in well-known online publications such as Forbes magazine, Yahoo Finance, and much more. We talked with many other media publications which will bring further attention to the project. So take a look at this, guys. Yahoo Finance, yeah, that's pretty big. Forbes, yeah. Floki Inu may jump off the charts here. It could actually be one of the top 10 projects when this thing is all said and done. CoinMarketCap, Tech Times, today. The Floki Inu contract has been audited by Solidity and passed with flying colors. The new contract was designed. The full contract is fully safe and certified by Solidity. Audit report, the token has been certified and fully safe, which is awesome. You got this Binance Smart Chain. You got the Ethereum blockchain. Right now there's over 200,000 holders of Floki Inu, and we know from the AMP token there's only like 52,000 with AMP. 52,000, there's already 280,000. Holy. There's already 160,000 followers on Twitter, and there's 500,000 plus followers that reach the influence network. So Floki starts, Floki Inu, a viral movement. Take a look at how the movement is growing with these Floki statistics. Holy, the Floki coin statistics. Floki Inu has a total circulation of 9.24 trillion Flokis across the ET and BSC chain combined, and has a total circulation cap of 2.89 billion, the big B, across the ETH and BSC chain. See full breakdowns and more. So you got your breakdowns over here, which are real good. How much is burned? Floki's Adventure. Read the Floki blog for updates on Floki's Adventure. You got a couple to choose from. Floki Inu to begin major marketing pushed in the month of October. All right, now we're in November. This is big. AMA with Bull Crypto on Floki NFT Gaming. Metaverse. They got 4 phases of this token. Right now we're in phase 1 with the checkmark, the token relaunch, the BSC launch, smart contract audits, CMC coin gecko listing, cross-chain bridge swap, the website relaunch, and 25,000 holders. Well, there's 280,000. That's crazy. Phase 2, they got lined up right here. Obviously, they got phase 3 lined up. Obviously, they got phase 4 lined up. So all kinds of good things. Look over here on the top right here, right on their website. Buy on PancakeSwap, buy on Uniswap. Pretty neat. Team Floki Inu Space Crew. Floki Inu has a top team of space engineers and crypto influencers working hard to send this puppy to space. All supporters of the loving Floki Inu community. So right here we got Floki, and we got the Floki Viking. You got 2 Twitter accounts, actually. Got the Hall of Fame. Inside the Hall of Fame, you got B, Jackie. You got a couple different, actually NFTs here. Pretty neat. Pretty neat. Join the Floki Inu community and let's ride to Valhalla. Join the Telegraph. So some of the frequently asked questions. On June 25th of 2021, Elon Musk, aka Dogefather, tweeted, "My Shiba Inu will be named Floki." Now, we all remember this, too, because that was a big thing about the Floki. And from there, the idea of creating the Floki Inu came into existence. So, in June, basically, we figured out that the name of the Shiba Inu dog is going to be Floki. And right there, now we got Floki Inu. So, why was Floki V2 launched? The old contract had serious issues with the tokenomics. It was inflationary rather than deflationary, meaning the supply was increasing rapidly. There was also a large developed tax, which was going to previously develop with wallets without intention to use it for marketing or burning the supply. This goes against the spirit of the decentralization and the fairness to the community. Therefore, the previous developers was pressured to leave the project, and a new team took over to fulfill the vision of becoming the world's most successful community token. Okay, so take a look at this, guys. This is why we bring this here. their goal, their mission statement, what they want to do is they want to be the world's most successful community token. I mean, Elon Musk, when he does a tweet, everything just goes, it goes up, up, up and everything. And all of a sudden we got a Floki Inu. Yeah, I think I kind of like this one. Give me in the comments what you think. Do you like the Floki Inu or don't you like the Floki? How can I buy Floki? We already know they have Pancake Swap and Uniswap to the right. Does Floki Inu have plans for marketing and getting influencers on board? Do you have the funds for this? It says, yes, Floki Inu has a large marketing treasure, which accumulated in the marketing wallet. We already have influencers on board, and we are aggressively marketing across Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, large media outlets, giveaways, and soon billboards. In the world's biggest cities, we must also remember that the Doge father himself, Elon Musk, will be posting pictures of his beloved puppy, Floki. So yeah, guys, this coin is going to get promoted. I don't know when you do your research, if that's big to you, but if you got big influencers that are pumping things and it's on the news and it's on Yahoo Finance and Forbes and stuff, pretty big things going on. So give us your comments in the bottom, what you think of Floki Inu so far. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Now we're going to go ahead and move over to Buger King and Robinhood. Yeah, that's right. Buger King and Robinhood are doing a little partnership together with cryptocurrency. So let's go ahead and see what that's about. So first thing I'm going to do right here is I'm just going to play the little advertisement. Buger King, how to crypto, also a dip. How to crypto, also a dip.
This is a dip. It's when a cryptocurrency experiences a decline in value. This is also a dip for when you have chicken fries. Do you mind? Spend $5 or more on the BK app with Royal Perks and get a side of crypto, powered by Robinhood Crypto.
All right, well, let's do this one more time.
This is a dip. It's when a cryptocurrency experiences a decline in value. This is also a dip for when you have chicken fries. Do you mind? Spend $5 or more on the BK app with Royal Perks and get a side of crypto, powered by Robinhood Crypto.
So right there's the advertisement, and we already know Buger King's a big company, and we already know that Robinhood's a big company. What are these guys doing? Buger King partners with Robinhood for a side of crypto giveaway. The Buger King with the side of crypto allows Royal Perk members to claim a free crypto coin every single day. And right here, you see the Whopper, you see congrats, you see the Robinhood, and you see this little app here. Well, forget to order fries and a handful of cheesy tots or stacked impossible nuggets. Buger King wants to give everyone a digital handful of Dogecoin with their next order. On Monday, the fast food giant announced its limited time Buger King. Again, this is so big, everybody. Buger King is gigantic. Buger King will offer a side of crypto. You want a side of fries with that? No, I'd like to have a side of crypto. Offering with the Royal Perk members to claim their free crypto every single day. According to Buger King crypto website, the chain has partnered with investment app Robinhood Crypto for the promotion. Between today and Sunday, November 21st, Buger King will also be giving away 2.2 million Dogecoin. Take a look at this. All of a sudden, Sophie, not Flofi, but Sophie decided to come into the video. Sophie, what are you doing? Anyways, Sophie likes to be part of the video. She decided she wanted to show up, so we made a little guest appearance with Sophie the kitty cat. Not Flofi. All right, so where were we? So between today and Sunday, Buger King will be giving away 2 million Dogecoins, 200 Ethereums, and the kicker of them all, 20 Bitcoins. Buger King is giving away 20 Bitcoins. Holy. As of this writing, one Dogecoin is worth 27 cents, an Ethereum is worth 4,300, and a Bitcoin is worth 61,000. The Buger King will put your odds of winning a Bitcoin at 1 in every 100,000. I mean, that's pretty good. In order to claim your free crypto coin, you must be a member of Buger King's Royal Perks loyalty program and make at least a $5 purchase, pre-tax purchase to buy some Buger King on the Buger King app or on their website. And they use my code, which can be requested during the checkout. After ordering, you will receive an email with the prize code that can be used to claim your, hold it, your free cryptocurrency. That's right, everybody. Burger King is giving away cryptocurrency. So if you're on this channel and you don't own no cryptocurrency, this is a way that you can just get cryptocurrency for free by going to Burger King. I would definitely try it, because what if you get one of those Bitcoins? You'll be saying, hey, Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner, thank you for reminding me and letting me know about the Burger King thing. I got a Bitcoin. That'd be awesome. Through the Robinhood app, all prizes must be claimed by Friday, December 17th. Yes, it is required to have a Robinhood crypto account in order to claim your prize, but existing Robinhood customers do not have to create another account. In a store food order, you will need to sign into your Royal Perk account, select a restaurant you're visiting, then click My Code. After you place your order, you will need to show a 6-digit code to the cashier before paying. Burger King also noted that all Burger King restaurant participants in the restaurant Royal Perk program, but you can check online to see if your local fave is one of them. In the statement sent to USA Today, Burger King's North American Vice President Digital Guest Experience said that Burger King's partnership with Robinhood was a natural fit because the restaurant was offering crypto in a way that is accessible and digitable through our food. This might be Burger King's North America's first foray into cryptocurrency, but other around the world have previously experimented with them. You know, they did it in 2007 with the Whopper coin. Also, right now, they're doing the dog purr in Australia right now. Looks like they did one in the Netherlands in Burger King in 2018. So all kinds of good things going on here with Burger King and Robinhood. So don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Make sure you go to Burger King, get something for $5. If you win a Bitcoin, it's the best $5 you ever did. They're giving away Doge, they're giving away Ethereum, they're giving away Bitcoins. Robinhood and Burger King, fantastic. Floki Inu, I mean, this is talking about being one of the top 10 projects in cryptocurrency. Holy, what's going on? So don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Monday through Friday, we bring you a video every single day at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Saturday and Sunday, we bring you a video every day at 3 to 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And once in a while, we'll bring you a bonus video around 6 or 7. Hey, everybody, have a fantastic day today, and let's go to get some cryptocurrency.